back, ruling your TV screens here on SOP with Billy Crawford in the house.
Kamusta kayo lahat? Everybody's watching SOP.
Let me just say, that was an awesome track. I could have seen that in any like major concert
Thank you,
performance
bro.
like in the
Thank
world.
you.
So that was
Salamat.
awesome.
Thank you, thank
Is
you.
there an album in the works?
Yes, the album is nearly done. It's almost finished under MCA Records. Abangan niyo po yan. It's coming out soon.
Kailan?
I think end of August or beginning of September siguro.
Nako, may abangan natin lahat yan. Abangan natin ang bagong album.
Oo, sana naman. And by the way, Gab, good job, bro. Good luck and happy birthday,
Yes, you showdown nila ni
nga,
Gab
galing
kanina.
nga.
Opening number, ang taas ng energy.
Oo nga,
Pero
grabe.
ito, anong kailangan namin abangan sa Move later?
Ito, Move special to. Tanggalan na to eh. Manananggal na kami ng mga artist namin.
So you're gonna crash some dreams?
No, hindi naman crash ng dreams ko naman, Raymond. No. Ito na ang pinakamasakit eh. Talagang masakit talaga to. It's hard to let go of 50 good dancers and performers. So abangan nyo
Dito
lang.
na mo ipili yung the best of the best.
The best of the best.
Diba?
After the 50, nagtanggal lang kami ng 26. After that, 24. And then 12. And then yun matitira. 6
Until
na lang.
they finally get to perform with you on your concert.
Yes, that's in October.
At the Big Dome.
Yes, at the Big
Yes.
Dome Araneta, October 6. Abangan nyo rin po.
Abangan natin yan. Any thank yous?
Yes. I just want to say hi to Ninong Ed, Tito Raul Laurente, and everybody, the family, Dr. Dan Curios, and everybody, mamaya sa Royal Tagaytay, Tita Susie, hello. Mom, John, Rhea, Dad, and everybody in SOP, and my two brothers over here.
From GMA Pinoy TV, Tita Mary Ann Peña, Genevieve and Jamel, welcome back. All right, guys, eto na.